Okay, and you know what time it is, and it's EOC Bellwork 27. Here we go. All right, guys, so you have had, okay, 3 or 4 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to read it, think about it, jot something down, try to make sense of what you're looking at. So here we go. Guys, here's what I want to tell you, okay? When you are faced with each new EOC question, when you are taking the algebra EOC, I need you to get into the habit, okay, of, what about the question is capturing your attention. And when I originally looked at this, obviously my eyes went straight to this equation. Okay, h equals 33.3t minus 16t squared. And since we're doing the unit on quadratics right now, which is appropriate, okay, I knew that we were dealing with, a function or a quadratic. So, it's really good, when you see things in the question that pop, that draw your attention to it, try to capture things that you already identify with from what we're learning in class. So it says, jumping spiders can commonly be found in homes and barns throughout the United States. Okay, guys, that is just bulk and fluff. Okay, moving on. A jumping spider's jump can be modeled by the equation, okay, where t, now it's telling you what each of the variables in that equation represents. T represents the time in seconds, okay, and h represents the height in feet. So it's basically saying, here's question A, what is the spider's height, h, right, after 1 second? So basically, I hope you guys saw that, for the sake of keeping this video nice and short, okay, it's basically substitution. They said that t represents the time, right? And they said 1 second. So you're just going to substitute 1 second in for t here and here. And whatever the result of this is, right, after you do the math, is what gives you the height. So everyone, as I'm writing this, you're writing it in your bell work. So here we go. So 33.3t, empty, create an empty space because that's where we're going to substitute the time, okay, minus 16 empty squared. Okay, so there's our equation, and it said, what is the spider's height after 1 second? Well, t represents time, so we're going to put 1 in wherever that t was, substitution, okay? And then we just do the math. So at this point, it's order of operations. So we're going to take care of that exponent first. So 1 squared is 1, and 16 times 1 is 16. So you have 33.3 times 1 minus 16, and obviously 33.3 times 1 is 33.3. So I'm just going to erase and replace here and, shorten it down, concise, okay? And then this is where I need the calculator help. So I think it's 17 point something. 33.3 minus 16 gives you what? 17.3? Okay, great. Great. Okay, and that is Algebra EOC Countdown Bell work number 27. Okay, hold on.